Ever found yourself scrolling through online stores, the perfect gift staring you in the face, but your bank account is giving you the side eye? We've all been there. You know that feeling of frustration, especially when a birthday, anniversary, or special occasion is just around the corner. You need that gift, and you need it now. So, the question is, can a service like Beforepay come to the rescue? Specifically, can you buy a gift card with Beforepay? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Beforepay, for those who aren't familiar, is a service that lets you access a portion of your pay early. It's designed to help bridge the gap between paychecks, offering a bit of financial flexibility when unexpected expenses pop up, or, when that perfect gift just can't wait. Now, the burning question, can you use this flexibility to snag that gift card? The short answer is, it's a little complicated. Beforepay doesn't directly let you purchase gift cards through their platform. There's no gift card section within their app, and you can't directly link your Beforepay funds to a gift card retailer. So, in that sense, no, you can't directly buy a gift card with Beforepay. But, and this is a big but, there are definitely ways to work around this. Think of Beforepay as giving you a short-term financial boost. You're essentially getting a small advance on your salary. This cash is deposited directly into your linked bank account. And what can you do with cash in your bank account? Pretty much anything. So, here's the workaround, you request a Beforepay advance. Once the funds are in your account, you can use your debit card, linked to that same account, to purchase a gift card. You can do this online, in-store, wherever you usually buy gift cards. Beforepay isn't directly involved in the gift card purchase itself, but it's providing you with the funds to make it happen. Think of it like this, Beforepay gives you the fuel, and you drive the car to the gift card store. They're not building the store, they're just enabling you to get there. Now, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, Beforepay does charge a small fee for their service. It's a fixed percentage of the amount you withdraw, so it's important to factor that into your budget. You don't want to end up spending more than you intended just to get that gift card. Second, remember that Beforepay is an advance on your salary. You'll need to repay the amount you borrow, plus the fee, on your next payday. So, it's crucial to be responsible and only borrow what you can comfortably repay. Don't get carried away and end up in a financial bind. Treat it like any other loan, even though it's a short-term one. Third, check the terms and conditions of Beforepay. They might have specific rules about how you can use the funds, although generally, they're quite flexible. It's always best to be informed. So, to recap, can you directly buy a gift card with Beforepay? No. Can you use Beforepay to get the funds you need to buy a gift card? Absolutely. It's a roundabout way, perhaps, but it works. Just be responsible, factor in the fees, and make sure you can comfortably repay the advance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.